I was very reluctant to hit her. The day we were supposed to shoot it in the night, that day my face was like, it became literally this small, and everyone was coming up to me and saying, "You look sick today." And I was actually feeling sick because I was actually feeling I'm going to puke sometime because when this scene is going to come.
Hi everyone, and joining us today is Pavel Gulati from Thappad. I just want to be sure of how I'm pronouncing your name.
Pavel.
Pavel.
Perfect.
So, welcome to the Quint.
Thank you.
Taapsee said in multiple interviews that you were very nervous about the actual slap scene.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about how you prepared yourself.
I did not prepare myself. Sir told us 2 days before we were going to shoot this scene, and I was a nervous wreck because I'm one person who doesn't like to get into fights, and I'm like a non-confrontational kind of a person. Now, Taapsee and I have also become friends, after working. And then I have to hit her, and Sir said it has to be a real slap and it has to be really impactful because that's the crux of the film. The day we were supposed to shoot it in the night, that day my face was like, it became literally this small, and everyone was coming up to me and saying, "You look sick today." And I was actually feeling sick because I was actually feeling I'm going to puke sometime because when this scene is going to come. I was very reluctant to hit her. Like, it was just not happening. It wasn't, I would turn around and हाथ रुक जाता था. You know, it was one of those things. And then, तो कभी हाथ यहाँ लग रहा था, कभी यहाँ लग रहा था. It wasn't getting to her face. And then after third one, it got to her face, but the impact wasn't right and the sound was off or something like that. And तब तक तापसी का face जलना शुरू हो गया था. 4, 5, 6 take happened, and then Taapsee came to me and just said, "Just go for it. Just go for it. Don't think about it. Just go for it." And that 7th one happened, and Sir said, "Okay," and that is when I hugged her and I just ran. I was I was done with that scene.
Were there points where you were sort of questioning the things that you've done, or like even like basic conditioning that we've seen at home, you know? Were there instances?
Absolutely. You know what happens is I've not had the privilege of having a wife, so I wouldn't talk from that angle. But just in daily life, that how we take our mother and our father for granted. So when I was reading the script, that was coming out to me and calling out to me really, really hard. I was a little apprehensive in the first, when I just heard the one-liner about the film, because then it comes out, to I'm playing this wife beater or something like that. But I think I read about 25 pages and I was hooked, because this story was not about domestic violence firstly, and this story wasn't a one-sided story. It wasn't a man-hating film, to be honest. The only thin line was how to play this character, the things that he does, but still make him a little likable so that people relate with him. We didn't want not having hope, women feeling that there's no hope in men, that this is nothing's going to change. Right. Men will be men. That's not the idea. Right. Men are also victims of their own conditioning.
But you know, you said that the point was also to make him likable. But do you think that he's coming across as a good guy in the film?
He is not a bad guy because वो ऐसा नहीं है कि अपनी बीवी से प्यार नहीं करता है. Again, like I said, he's a victim of his own conditioning. Right? He's been taught no better. He thinks because he's a man of the house and he earns money, that means everyone should just support him. His goals are more important than other people's happiness or goals. I'm not saying he's doing the best things possible. He is doing absolutely. Why am I justifying my character? Sorry. Sorry.
That's okay.
But this is what happened on set. I was trying to justify it because I had to play this character, right? So you justify it to yourself. कि यार, why am I saying that? Then you find a reason. अच्छा, मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because you get into the skin of it कि हाँ मैं ऐसे करूँगा. So you try to justify yourself. I think I'm doing the same thing right now. Sorry.
Right. Any high points that struck out for you personally in the film, whether related to your character or any other character in the film?
For my character, I thought when I say sorry to my boss was the point where I felt that we actually do that in our real lives. We might not say sorry to the people that we love, but if there's a boss, if there is someone who we know can leave us anytime we want, we would approach it very differently than to people who are there for us all the time.
Something like this were to happen to you. If you slapped your wife and she decides to leave you.
She should. आपका हाथ तब छूटता है जब आपके पास कोई आपका IQ level नहीं है किसी से बात करने का. If you have an argument and I have no argument left, that's the time I would get into a physical, altercation, right?
Any other scene that you were personally nervous about?
I was nervous about shooting the scene with Kumud sir because I have loved him as an actor. He doesn't play with anything. He's just a natural gifted actor. So
Right.
थोड़ा सा भी करते हैं and makes you feel like. And so when he's talking to me, वो dialogue मुझे बोलते थे तो मैं उनकी आंखों में खो जाता था. It was like that. It made me feel really bad about myself as an actor because he's so good. It makes you feel, oh my god, मुझे तो acting आती नहीं है यार.
Other than that, there are so many senior actors in the film. Even Taapsee has a lot of experience. So what was it like just being on the set around all of these people?
Taapsee and I became friends instantly. वो भी दिल्ली से, मैं भी दिल्ली से, so we had like that Delhi connection. I don't know why was she so welcoming, but she was. Even Anubhav sir was so welcoming. They used to bully me a lot, both of them, but that was all good fun because I think it was their love for me. Ratna ma'am has been my teacher in Whistling. I used to do theatre with her. Nasir sir was my teacher in Whistling Woods. I studied in Whistling Woods, so Ratna ma'am used to be there for all my exams and stuff. So she reminds me of my mother, no? So it was just fun having her around, and it's always a very calming feeling when she's around. She will come in my ear and say something, is gonna try to play the scene in this way and try to play the scene in this way, try that, try this. So with her, it was all cool because I know her for years.
She knew that you were going to be a part of the film,
Yeah.
and you knew that she was going to.
I think I found out once I reached set. I didn't know anyone except Taapsee was doing the film and Anubhav sir was the director. I didn't know anybody who was a part of the film other than that.
Because there has been a lot of comparison, so I just have to ask this question. Kabir Singh came around, and there was this one dialogue which has literally been pulled into this film as well, that प्यार है तो थोड़ी मारपीट होती रहती है. But as an actor, Kabir Singh's role is very meaty, right? As an actor, there's a lot to do. If ever this role came to you, would you have done Kabir Singh's role?
I'll be very honest here. At that time, if it had come, I would have obviously taken it up because you're an actor and you're waiting for a film to come to you and all of those things. So you don't have much choices, right? If that thing would have happened later in my career, I maybe still would have taken it up and said, can we remove the slap? You are not spoiled for choices at that point of time, right? When you're just starting out and when you struggle for so many years and you get a film, I would probably have a discussion with the director, dheere dheere, ki can we take this out and can we do something else to show his anger? And that line wasn't in the film. That line, what are you saying?
Yeah, it was actually
the director's vision or director's interview that was pulled out and
right.
अब वो उसका opinion है. I'm not saying your opinion is wrong because he can think my opinion is wrong.
You've been in the industry for about 10 years now.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's been a journey. What is it that sort of stands out for you? What have you learned in the past?
This industry actually demands a lot of patience, and I have been patient for so many years. I've kept on working. Started as a assistant casting director with Shanu Sharma, then Mukesh Havra. I assisted on ads just to make money and learn. And basically, I didn't want to sit at home. Acting is the only thing I want to do, and I know how to do. And if I didn't have patience, my parents had the patience, so they kind of supported me throughout.
Any favorite directors that you want to work with in the industry? You have worked with Imtiaz Ali on a short film.
Yeah.
So you can't take his name.
I worked with Zoya Akhtar also, and she's also she's the director.
Right. Okay, fine. If you want to take their name, then you can take.
So then there's Anurag sir, Zoya. I would love to work with Karan someday. I worked with him also in an ad, which was nice. Raju sir, Vishal sir.
And what is your kind of films, like films that you like watching, films that you...
Simba se Thappad मुझे सब अच्छा लगता है. I find something good in a bad film also. So I'm one of those people. I'm not disappointed after watching a movie. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है that I like.
Well, it's been a lovely chat. Thank you so much for being on The Quint.
Thank you.